Well, there's loads of products on the market and they're all good, and I think it's just about finding the right product for you. So I'm going to introduce you our Charlie Miller Soft Clay Wax, and we've developed it, I would say, to be kind of in the middle of the market. It's soft to touch, it has a bit of hold, but it's definitely not going to build up in your hair, and it washes off well. So it's not going to leave a build-up that is going to feel like you can't control your hair. So this is it here, and it's made with kaolin clay, which is naturally soothing. And what I find is that it does not irritate my scalp, and I have quite a sensitive scalp. So just pop that on your fingers and feel how that feels. Now the trick is with using a wax or a clay is how much you use. So I'm just taking a very small amount here, about the top of my finger. And the next trick is to really massage it into your hands and warm it up well. One of the biggest problems people have is they go in with a finger, do that, and then whap it on their hair. And what happens is they've got a big stuck bit of product and they can't manage their hair properly. So it's about warming it up. And what I do myself is I actually put my product on my hair wet. So I never blow dry my hair, and then I actually style my hair just with a brush, and then I leave it to dry, and it sets it in position. Whereas you could do that, but if you're going through your routine, I think the idea would just be as a finisher and just as a definer to create a little bit of texture, or sometimes calm the hair down.